Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be trying out some nitrous oxide cream chargers. I have my whipped cream dispenser here and we are going to try this out with a simple whipped cream recipe. This is a 50 count set and these chargers contain an ultra pure food grade nitrous oxide that's going to give you a rich, fluffy whipped cream without any kind of strange aftertaste. The capsules are made of a 100% food grade stainless steel, so that should ensure durability as well as a long-lasting shelf life. I have my simple whipped cream mixture right here ready to go, so we're going to pour that into the dispenser, screw on the cap, and I'm just going to use this standard whipped cream tip to give us a nice fluffy looking whipped cream. Then I'm just going to take one of the cartridges and slide it into the cartridge head, and then we're going to get that screwed into place. Now we're just going to give this a shake. And then we're going to unscrew the charger. You'll hear a light hissing sound, that's totally normal. And let's try it out. Absolutely delicious and so light and fluffy. It works like an absolute charm. And these cream chargers are made to fit all standard 8-gram whipped cream dispensers. So as long as you've got that, these should work perfectly with your dispenser. If you guys were looking for some great cream chargers so you can make your own whipped cream at home, make mousses and other desserts or other gourmet dishes, these are such a wonderful choice and you get so many of them, so you're gonna get loads of use from this set. I would definitely give these a try.